We're at Evil Street Inc. We got Ferran the apprentice doing some of his getting hazed a little bit. Last week was the milk challenge. This week's the cinnamon challenge. What do you think, man? You ready? All right, let's go. Swallow.
We're trying to breathe. Wow.
It's still coming.
Oh man, you smell it, man.
Oh.
How was it?
Dry.